So right now I'm on this waterfall called Skakavac waterfall, and it's in East Bosnia. Um, it's supposed to be a rainforest called Peruchca rainforest, and there's waterfall unlike any I've ever seen. Look at that, and it's about 50 meters, maybe even 100 meters. Looks like a hair. And the entire trail is 2 miles one way, descending, and then some insane incline to go back. We're gonna gain about 3,000 feet in just 1.5 miles. I don't know why this is a rainforest. Looks like a regular forest, but supposedly it's 20,000 years old, and it's officially classified as rainforest. Skakavac waterfall.